Mix louder.
Unboxing video of the DJI OM4. So this is a mobile phone gimbal used to record videos and click pictures. This is what I've bought. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Create magnetic movements. So this just shows a little infograph of how the whole gimbal can be set up for mobile phones. So this is compatible with every mobile available on the market, every smartphone available on the market, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I just went ahead and bought it. So let's find out how this is. Okay, so the gimbal is here. What do we get inside this? Nice. So this is actually another clip which is used to hold the mobile phone to the gimbal. I saw this is magnetic, and yeah, there's an alignment guide that is given here. It shows how you align it exactly. The look and quality of the packing is nice. This looks like the bag on which you can store it and probably take it along with you. One thing is missing is the hard case, I feel. This is good. This will fit in this. It says Osmo DJI. So let's keep it here. It's another string just to, hold the gimbal. Let's see what's this. Yeah, so this is actually a cell phone holder given by DJI. So you can actually use this ring behind your cell phone just like this. The future of possible. Nice. So I guess this is the instruction manual inside. Yep, this is the instruction manual inside. These are stick-ons, the instruction manual. Yeah. The magnetic ring, user guide, disclaimer, quick guide on how to start using DJI. Yeah. So yes, let's keep this aside and let's take out the gimbal. This is how the gimbal looks like. Quite small, not bad. This is a magnetic holder. Oh, pretty handy. And it's very it's very difficult to pull it off. It's not so easy. So I guess your phone will be secure here. That's what DJI would have had in mind. So yeah, let's take it out. Yeah, so it's pretty secure there in that magnetic thing. This also is an expandable clip that comes on that you can clip onto your phone. And if you have smaller phones, there's a riser pad that is given. So it's for the iPhone 7, 8, SE2, Samsung S8 and all of that. So yeah, this is a tripod stand. Pretty light, a little plastic feel, but I guess pretty hands-on. And finally you get the charging cable. So this is a type C charging cable that you get with it. So the gimbal comes with buttons over here. This is a joystick. This is the record button and the button where you can click pictures. This is the power button. Here is the zoom in zoom out button, and this is a special shoot button which different features can be a lot, like burst camera, burst photos, or changing it into a portrait or a landscape. So yes, so let's go ahead. I've downloaded the app on my phone. That's the DJI Mimo app. It shows a device found. So let's connect. Yeah, that's connected, and yeah, the gimbal is setting up. The gimbal is set up. So yeah, it's pretty handy. Not gonna say it is very light, but considering my phone being 11 Pro Max with the cover on, it's doing a pretty decent job. Yeah, that's how you change it. Good for cinematic shots, good for vlogging, good for recording videos, good for travel vlogs. I mean, you can do a lot with this. Just tilts up, goes down. So there's a zoom button also. So let's attach the gimbal stand. Just open this and then attach it. So this is how it just fits in below. You just gotta screw it in. Yeah, that's a tight fit. It's fit in properly. Just open the gimbal stand. Keep your gimbal here. Then you're set. I'll just show you how exactly a cinematic shot looks like. So if you see on the screen, so you can either move it like pretty fast, or you can like go a little slow. So this is like a very slow kind of a thing. So this is very sensitive, the joystick too. Depends on how fast you move the joystick, that's how fast the gimbal moves. So if you like press a very little, just it goes pretty slow. You want to increase the speed, it just zoots like that. So pretty nice having cinematic shots, and it's pretty hands-on. You gotta like explore. Me being just a starter in all of this, just seeing how I can make good videos, click good pictures, create good videos. It's got a lot of modes. It's got a slow motion mode, it's got a dynazoom mode. So all of these modes, which will be showing you later on. It's got a hyperlapse mode. There's a lot on the DJI app that you can do. So yes, the slow motion mode, the panoramic mode. So I'll give you a few shots of how this works. But then yeah, this is the DJI. You just click twice, just changes its direction. Just hold it, it goes on standby, just like that. You just click any button, it will come back. There.